Hi everyone. Today I'm going to explain how to upload a project to GitHub using a commands. And I previously I showed how to upload a project to a GitHub with directly uh, call, like moving the files. Now I'm gonna create repository here. These are the repository that I have, and I'm gonna create new repository named online exam scheduler that I've already done the two project exam scheduler online exam scheduler, and you should make it as a I'm making it as a public, and I'm adding a readme file there. Create repository. This will create a repository for me, and whatever I need to do is create an empty folder. Like I have created a empty folder, and go there and git bash here, make git bash here. If you don't have git bash, please download in online. And first step you have to do is like git init. That's the first step. Type git init. That's the first step. It will initialize the clone folders. Like I will show. Look at this. It will initialize the folder like with git. Next step is git remote space add space origin. These things you need to do. Next step is you need to copy the URL path and right click and paste here, then enter. This will import the path of the folder, so you want to upload to the GitHub now. It will import the path of the folder. Next step is git pull origin main. Okay. This is the third step. Furtherly I will upload all the git commands below the video line. You can refer there. And next step is used to, it is in like it's in a branch. We need to put that into the branch. Like we need to git branch space -m or master main. It will pull the project to this branch. Next step is, before adding this we need to this is empty folder. Now we need to import all the project folder here. I'm taking all the project folders to this folder. Now what I'm going to do is like next step is like I imported I copy pasted all the files to that. Next step is I need to add git add dot, next space add dot. This will like make the all the like files committed, like almost committed, but we need to add git commit to commit all the files, and to main branch. And initial commit, I'll add it as a command, initial commit. Like I'll show you how to commit after editing the folder. Like one, this will commit all the files into the GitHub. Next step is like we need to push the code into the GitHub. The entire code will be pushed here. Git push minus set minus upstream. Sorry, I use upstream origin space main. this will upload all the files into the GitHub. So whatever the changes you want to do, I think, let's see, what will this uploaded or what happened. Yeah, it successfully uploaded. You can see that it successfully uploaded the files. Now what I will do is, yeah, it's recording. Now what I will do is, if you want to edit, you can't go and edit here. Like suppose if you want to edit the file here, you can go and edit it. But what I will do is, I will edit the file in the folder itself. And I suppose I will edit the readme file. One minute, taking the time. Right, I'll edit the file only. Suppose I'll edit the files here. Yeah, simply I'll make it as Java. This is not for complete. I'll just making for you guys understanding purpose. I'm doing this change. Like I edited the simple file. Like I need to do like recommit the file, and for that I need to create a local branch in Git. Here only I need to create local branch for uploading that edited files. Git branch, local branch. I'll name it as local branch. Next step is git checkouting of that local branch. Local branch. So I'll add the space there. Git check out the local branch. Next step is, like, after that one we need to add a git status for that. Like git status. Yeah. After adding git status, we need to add git add dot. Then next step is git commit yum final commit. But previously, to upload all the files, I've done initial commit. Now I'm renaming as a final commit because I edited. If you want to edit in the code, you can edit and upload the file like this. Then git push and copy paste this code. No, I'm not able to copy paste the code. I will type on git push set. I think I have this code. One, yeah. Before previously I added main. Now I need to add local branch. Now I added the local branch. It will upload all the file. Let's see whether it upload or not. Yeah, it's successfully uploaded the file. And for that I need to branch that. First I need to compare and pull. Do compare and pull for this project. And here you can see I can